Anita, you cannot die. You cannot die. Yo, I am a frog. I am. I made it myself, actually. Thank you. So I'm playing Vigilant of, the Vigilant mod for Skyrim. I just gotta grind some karma a bit more, and I can go to Vigilant. Oh yeah, that's my Wampa. It's friendly. It scared me for a minute. Oh my god, look at that. There's a troll and everything. What is that down there? Savage Snow Hills Ogre. Alright, time to ice him up. Wait, they're killing each other? Why?
Get out of here.
Wait, I could talk to him? Why can't I talk to him? Alright. Okay. Oh, you do a lot of damage. You do a lot of damage. You do a lot of damage. Oh god. And I'm already blocked in by my minions Achernox. Oh my god. He died by his own trap. Okay. I'm so scared that they might die, and I have no idea where they are. Nope, get out of here. Don't. And Lydia just phased through the wall. There was a kid. No! My cat died.
Huh?
Get rid of these. You gotta be. Oh my god. The fifth time, the charm. Fifth time, the charm. Alright. Okay, Tanita, you cannot die. You cannot die. Bad cat. Look at the carnage ensue. Yes. I just got shot right in my dick. I just got shot right in my dick. You bitch. Oh, that's a pleasant sight. Oh my god. See, thank goodness I have time stop. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. Oh my god. Okay, this looks like their nest. Oh, or feathers.
Surprise,
Oh my god! Oh, there's just a spider here. We have a spider above them. Dude. Alright. Whoop this bitch up. He's just gliding. You guys kind of are. I have them. Hit him. It's like I'm throwing like a rat to a bunch of like rabid dogs. Like they're like piranhas. I'm throwing like a chicken in the river. And let's get me a flying carpet. Never find me. They won't. Don't you dare. You're not dead forever, are you? That probably hurt. Falling that far. Okay, she's alive. She's alive, everyone. She's alive. What is going on here? Now these trolls, dude. What the fuck are those? What? Okay. Am I gonna die? A snow ray. Don't hit me, don't hit me. I wanna look at you. Alright. Man. Alright. Man. These are the most craziest things. It's gonna be such shame if we all die by fire. Man, they remind me of like an Asia album cover. Oh my god. Dude, why? We don't even have an effect, just powder. Okay. Alright, guys. Minions. Okay, I need you here now. And dude, there's a troll right there. Burn, baby, burn.
Bruh.
How did I die? Oh my god. Oh, my game crashed. Grim. Very grim. Very grim. Oh my god. Man, I'm flying in the sky right now. And like my butt puckered right there. I like how there's like just a troll right there chilling. And you're my skooma whore. Okay.
Inkpot, stone, bucket is highly overrated.
Oh, the goat's dead. I'm an ogre in prison. Oh. Look who I see here. I see you. You're a little kitty cat. Go, kitty cat, go.
Walking around like that is why magic gets
Ah! Come on.
privileged information. Now, move along. Huh?
Alright, dude. You don't have to fight me. Like, honestly, if you saw this, would you even, like, try to fight it? Oh my god. I'm going crazy. Alright. Is it time to send the high elves high? I think it is time. Hey, it's not my fault you guys won't let me come in. Not my fault.
Double kill.
Damn high elves.
The triple kill
Of a foul race.
overkill.
Bonk.
Kill.
Get out of here.
Tap
You don't shoot me. 'Cause I'm coming for you.
Kill atrocity.
Ooh, you're going far.
Kill him in Jara.
Alright.
Kill catastrophe. Kill apocalypse.
Go, my hounds, go. Sig them. Get them. Gonna do that. Alright, we got some armor now. Lydia, I'm so sorry. Ooh, off guard, I'm so sorry. I kind of want to kill the Acronaut, but you guys are in the way. Okay.
It didn't even do it.
Alright. This would be very good armor for a Necromancer. No, Tanita. Damn it. I have to reload. Oh, he was a summoner? Damn, Vigilant of Stendarr don't like them, I guess. Now, do you see that thing down there? That's gonna kill me. Oh my god. Tanya, I'm so sorry. Good thing you took it to the face. Just have a bandit in a cart down here. You know how much bad that would stink? Or would the corpse not decompose as fast because how cold it's in here? Oh shit. I know I'm cheating bad, but I want to get through this really quick. Or the Watchers come in and mind control the Thalmor. Fuck. Oh my god. That was the guy. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, guys. It's a death pit. You come back here another day. Another day. Another time. Gnome invasion.
Bruh.
What was that? What was that? Oh, spiders. Ain't that great. See, I'm so schizophrenic right now. Ooh, fuck. God, I killed him. Gotta reload again. This is the reloading episode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! My god. Oh my god, what's going on? My hounds! It's a spider army, dude. A spiritual spider army. Alright, I kill the spiders. That guy is screwed. We're all alive, everyone? Yep, we are. Thank goodness. We did it. And I'm going to save right here, so I don't have to do all that bullshit again. Alright. We did it, guys. We did it. And it crashed anyway, so it worked. It worked out in my favor. Okay, let's see.